Portugal. I'm currently in the bathroom. Please take note of the bidet. So that's proof we're in Europe. Put you down here. We're currently balanced on moisturizer and Q-tips because I'm trying to DIY some tripods. We found another cord, folks. False alarm. I'm gonna put some of this on. To be honest, it is very hot in Portugal, which I knew. Some of you had told me that you guys were going through a heat wave here, and that Portugal is. At this point, I'm really grateful that I brought dresses. I thought at first I overpacked, but I think I'm gonna live in dresses because even the thought of putting on pants seems gross. The flight didn't have any turbulence, but I was not able to sleep at all, which was unfortunate. I thought for sure I'd sleep on this flight because we left Pearson at 12:30. Our flight was a little delayed. And I thought for sure, if I'm leaving at midnight, I'd be able to fall asleep, but I didn't. So the first day here was really about getting here, sleeping, and I think I have adjusted now. I think I'm in a good spot to adjust to the time change because it's a 5-hour difference between Portugal and Toronto. Heat aside, I am very happy to be here with my grandparents and with the fam, and just, I don't know, this area always feels, Portugal in general just feels like home, even though it's not my home. My mom made a good comment yesterday. It's just that when we're here, we have this sense of how deep-rooted our family history is here, because my parents are the first generation that were born in Canada and raised there, but a lot of lines go back that are here in this country, so it feels very powerful coming back. But now I need to cool off and have some water. That's gonna be the story of these vlogs, is me just saying I need water. This is my current outfit for the day. I have this C necklace from Ana Luisa, my Apple Watch, and this dress from Mango, which they now carry at the Bay. It has a slit and the fabric is really thin, so it is a great choice for today. Although I'm still sweating through it, I don't think there's really anything I can do to avoid that in 40°C weather. Bedroom. I still have some unpacking to do. I thought I'd show you my little feira haul. These knives right here are the ones I'm always looking for in Toronto, and I can never find them. They're the traditional wooden paring knives, so I picked up 2. These were €2.50 each. There's this other brand there called Isel. It's made in Portugal. I got 3 more paring knives, this green one, this orange one, and this yellow. My dad said that this reminded him of peppers, these colors. The lady was saying that this is a very good quality brand, so you know, we'll try them out. And then I also picked up a serrated knife because I don't have one of those, and this came in white. Very exciting stuff. Goes to Portugal, buys knives. And then we also headed to a local pharmacy where I picked up the Nukes multi-purpose dry oil, face, body, and hair. I saw this exact bottle at Shoppers before I went on my trip, and I was so intrigued by it, but I think it was like $60 at Shoppers or 50 something, and this was €29, but there was a €5 discount, so it was €24 for this bottle. I mentioned it's for hair, it's for body, so it's multi-purpose. Not that I really need more oiliness when I'm sweating. I'm literally just feeling my chest right now and I'm moist. That's so gross. Europe in general, I know, is known for having some really good discounts on, well, I guess not discounts, it's just the prices are cheaper for a lot of popular skincare brands that are in Canada. Definitely not for everything, but there are certain brands I know, like ootd, that are way cheaper in Europe. And my mom actually also got one too. This one, the only difference I think it has some shimmer in it. First official full day in Portugal has been a success so far because I've gotten knives and oil. This is my room situation, by the way. Let me give you a little quick tour. Here we go. It's actually quite a big room. I was gifted one of the bigger ones and one with AC, which I'm very appreciative for. Still have a lot of unpacking to do over here. This is a really nifty feature of this bed. Okay, let's see.
Mais
Right? Should I just do another one just in case? Yeah,
Põe só mais um.
mais um.
Ter uma mais não faz mal.
Like there's still space, but I feel like I don't want to go too tight.
No.
Perfect, obrigada.
Oh, não entendi.
Very nice. Uma máquina.
Uma máquina.
Got a dress on and trying to stay cool. It's been so nice just being here. Oh, look at the shade moment that's happening right now. It's been so nice being here and actually relaxing and reading. I think that's like on the schedule today, is for me to do a little bit of reading. And I've been admiring all of my grandmother's plant work because this could not be me. She is very impressive. There's a tree over there that has figs on it, and I've had a few from their tree and they are so good. That has been like one of my little treats this week, is having figs. Even the simplest view here though is just stunning. I mean, look at all those orange roofs. This one is another dress I got from Abercrombie. It's got this beautiful button detailing and like a slit in the middle, which is great because then when I sit down I can kind of like air out, which is critical right now, because the whole body be covered in sweat. But I'm thriving right now. I feel like my skin has been loving this, and we're just taking it in. My grandmother is about to make lunch. She's doing some potatoes and sopa. I don't know what else, but usually lunch here is the big event. So you have like a really big lunch. What I think most people in Canada and the States probably tend to associate the bigger meal with dinner. Here it's definitely lunch, and then dinner is something a bit lighter, which I think is nice because it kind of gives your body time to digest everything. This is pretty cute. Like, look at this balcony moment. You can see the front lawn situation. I have a bottle of water. I want my balcony back home to have more of this energy going on right here. Look how cute that chair is. I can't. Here's the dealio though. We do not have a car here, which is quite unfortunate because my grandparents' hometown isn't the most, how do I say, happening place. Very quiet town, which is very appropriate for their lifestyle, but we tend to like to do little day trips while we're here. But because their car is under repair, and hopefully it'll be done in a couple days, but since we got here it's been under repair, we have been kind of situated at home. So we are just trying to channel some good energy for the repaired car, because I think next week will end up being the week where we do a couple more, I don't know, just a little bit more adventurous things, nothing too crazy. But I also have been given some projects to tackle at my grandparents' place, which is really the whole basis of this visit, is to just see them and then also to check in, help them out with what they need here. I want to show you my little outfit today, not because it's anything special. We're wearing the black bodysuit that I tend to always wear. I got this piece from Zara and it looks like a skirt, you know, but it's not. It is shorts. That is shorts, so it kind of gives the illusion of skirt vibes, but it's comfortable like short vibes. I am mucho excited about it. That's not Portuguese. Mucho. I haven't worked out since I've been here, even though I had intentions to, because it's been, what has it been? Hot. So this morning I decided before it got really burning out here, there's a little bit of a breeze right now. It's very doable to do a workout. I would do a workout on the balcony, and I used my travel yoga mat. I'll have it linked on Amazon. It's very thin, as you can see, but it's foldable, so it makes it easy to pack and travel with. And I feel like just doing this workout on the balcony, which is a very hard surface, it actually worked out quite well, because even though it's not as soft as my yoga mat back home, it has a lot of grip to it. So I am pleased, and especially if you were doing this workout on a carpet, I feel like it'd be a really great alternative to bringing a big yoga mat with you, if people even do that. Feels like that would take up a lot of space in the luggage. Even though I'm on vacation and I'm supposed to be like, ooh, easy breezy, I have felt the impact of not doing any movement like this, especially because we've been a little bit more homebound. So I'm really glad I did this today, because I feel like it's setting my day off on the right note. It just makes me feel healthy and strong and capable of dealing with whatever things come my way. And that's like one of the reasons why I love movement, is I just find it so empowering. Plus, while working out, I got to admire my grandmother's gardening work. I got to look at some nice terracotta roofs. It's quite the view to do a workout too. While getting in and out of some of these moves, I just look over on the balcony here and be like, wow. I don't even work out in the balcony that I have back in Toronto, but I feel like this might inspire me to. I mean, probably not, because people are much easier able to look into my workout on my balcony in Toronto, so not my kind of vibe. My grandparents' hometown is a bit on the quieter side, so although I don't think I could see myself at any time soon even coming to stay here for a lengthy amount of time, because I just don't think I'm at that place in my life yet where I want that super quiet atmosphere. I do feel like it'd be so nice to come here during like January to March. I personally feel like in Ontario, January to March are the worst months. So I have this thing in my head that in an ideal world, I'd be able to just escape it for 3 months of the year, because summers in Canada are quite beautiful. Fall is amazing, and I love the Christmas season, but January to March, I could do without, and ideally it'd be spent in somewhere like here. Things to think about, things to put on the vision board. I've been to Porto and Lisboa and like other cities in Portugal. I feel like it'd be cool to stay for an extended period in something like that and just see what it's like. Not Lisbon. Lisbon I find a little too touristy these days, but things to think about, you know?
Poi poi fa forza?
Sì.
Lascia che per ora vuol tirare sta cosa. Che sei grande?
Eu acho, né?
Vuoi fare un cambiatoio per sfogare?
Agora?